Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very hello to all. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Adnan. I'm a student from Faculty of Sports Science and Recreation. This video is prepared by me as task given by my lecturer, Dr. Shahriman Ismadi bin Ismail, for subject SPS 260 Fundamental of Sport Biomechanics. Okay guys, let's begin. Netball is a wide game that played around the world. Normally, this game is feminist game where only played by women. But previously, netball also played by men without changing any rule of game. For your information, myself also a netball player, and my position is goal defense or goal attackers. So, here I like to share about my mechanical form in this game, especially shooting. Everybody knows that in netball, shooting score is determine the point for winning the game, and it is really important to achieve it. So now, as opening, we started with watching this video first.
It's Malaysia's centre pass to start off the match. Singapore will need to start this quarter off strong. Ball dropped by Nazra.
Okay guys, the video was taken from Southeast Game or known as SEA Game last 2017 held in Kuala Lumpur and show to us how the netball is played. Okay, back then to our purpose, shooting is to be done by goal shooter or goal attack. From biomechanically, in this problem, when shooter receive the ball from other player outside goal area into goal area, first thing first is shooter will face preparation phase. In this phase, other players and shooter has to play hard as much as shooter can get near to the hole. This is because shooter may use less force and energy during shot the ball. The less distance, the less force. Okay, shooter has to be more stable and balanced in straight trunk upward body with one hand pull ball and one more support ball position. They should find perfect center of gravity, so means center of gravity will not make the body move and not interfere during shooting. Impulse and momentum is required with the netball shot in order to generate power behind the ball to propel it towards and into the hoop. Okay, now we move to the second phase, that is producing power. Okay, first is summation force. In order to achieve maximum force or little force, it is necessary to combine or add up the force applied by different body parts. Summation of internal force is most important in activities requiring speed of force. Such in shooting, it involves the recruitment of body segment into the movement at the correct time. Okay, next, during shot in netball, we can visualize that kinetic change is occur, where movement from each body parts occurs sequentially starting proximal to the body, finishing distal and allowing for force summation. Okay, now we move to the last phase is execution. In execution, projectile angle are need to determine to make sure the ball will go follow the right path. Shooter should know to use much wide degree of angle before ball thrown upward. Okay, second is projectile motion. Projectile motion is the motion of ball to be thrown at angle with gravity. Trajectory is influenced by the projection speed, the projection angle, and the relative height of projection. That is the vertical distance between the landing and release points. It is therefore crucial for netball shooter to obtain an accurate projectile motion in order to successfully obtain a goal shot. Okay, we jump to force. force is one of the mode in execution phase where when a player is in a state of static balance with the netball in hand, force must be exerted in order to change the inertia of the ball from a state of rest. Last but not least, flexion movement that away from midline of body by generate landing movement can improve shooting accuracy. The shooter should extend their shooting hand only as far as they feel it to be comfortable in order to stabilize the ball. Forceful hyperextension of the head was likely to create excessive strain and tension in the flexor muscle of the hand, resulting in an increased likelihood of an uncontrolled and accurate shot. So, bottom of line is when player and coach learn biomechanics in shooting netball, they can improve their skill in shot of goal, while coach can improve their skill in order to teach player for good performance. That's all from me. Thank you.